And we have an acorn woodpecker over on the bare top tree in front of the Last Word Ranch. Just seen the one at this time. Oftentimes there's 2 or 3. Okay, we're gonna go take care of Speedy. Here he comes. That's one. Eat and take the other one. No, you're gonna take it up to the fence post, huh? Yeah, it's a boy. We're at Fluffy's and treats are getting ready to go down.
Good morning.
Good morning. And our water just needed to be topped off. It still had water in it. Dry food dish was totally empty, but it's not anymore. And her dad Lucifer is here as well. We've got a great white egret on the hillside with, well, the cows. And there's a second one. They do like to hang out with the cows. They're up there. And Collie's at the Lutheran church. Jay is finishing up putting down cat food and treats down on the cement curb in the back parking lot. She's making her way over. Come on, sweetie. Collie, come on. Collie, come on. Come on. That's a girl. Everything's cool. There's your food. Starting with the cat food as usual. Okay. We'll leave her to it. Right, it is. We have a peacock over at Whispering Hills Ranch. A reminder on how to tell the difference between a male and a female if they have similar color feathers. The male's neck feathers are blue, and a female's neck feathers are green.
It's probably going to be quiet at the breakfast area this morning. On the east end of Alviso Adobe Park, Cooper's hawk looks to be a juvenile. Maybe not. Either way, When Cooper's hawk is about, the birds just lay low. Although we have learned that doves and pigeons have evolved to be able to outmaneuver a Cooper's hawk. So they aren't afraid of them. So see, there's the processing shed. I'm going to have to pan from north to south, but up on the hillside, we got, if not all, then most of the turkeys. There's 2 hens and 3 of the poults. So I believe these are the more mature poults. Yeah, very close in size to the nanny hen.
We have a low turnout at Del Vista Adobe Park today, and Jay spotted a Cooper's hawk in a tree in the back area of the park, so that explains it. I do have 3 cottontail rabbits, though, in the bark area, the picnic section, enjoying the cracked corn and iceberg leaves. Okay, Fluffy, we're back at Fluffy's area. Treats are going to go down in a moment. Here we go. Down he goes. Speedy's down. He's going to take one. Yes.
Custom paint.
Okay, come take one. Go ahead. You can take one. Very good. And Squirrel's going to get a peanut. Yeah. Thinking about, can you take 2 at a time? Nope. Okay. Here we go. Speedy's back for seconds. Blue Jay's back. Okay, come on over. You can do it. Come on, come get Peanut. Yep, Scrub Jay's gonna get it. That's fine.